Lotion bars are super easy to make and can be applied quickly to areas of dry skin or applied to the entire body for a luxurious skin smoothing ritual. Because lotion bars do not contain the water-based ingredients of a typical lotion, they also tend to last longer, and there's lots of room to get creative with the use of various molds. Today, we'll be showing you how to make your own Mediterranean garden lotion bars. First, set up a double boiler and gently heat 2 tablespoons coconut oil, a 1/4 cup of shea butter, a 1/4 cup beeswax pastilles, stir occasionally until the beeswax is melted and everything is well combined. A 1/4 cup of apricot oil infused with lavender buds. Lavender infused olive oil works fine here as well. Turn off the heat, add the lavender infused oil, and then the essential oils, and stir again. 15 drops bergamot essential oil, and 10 drops clary sage essential oil. Ten drops lavender essential oil, quickly pour the warm mixture into molds and let your lotion bars cool for an hour or so. After an hour, remove from the molds wrap in parchment paper and store in a cool, dry place. These will keep for about a year if kept cool and dry. To use, glide lotion bar across the area of skin you wish to moisturize. The heat of your body will melt the lotion bar into your skin.